Yo guys, I'm HP and welcome to this little presentation about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you're interested in this academy, please take 10 minutes of your time to go through this little video that you understand the main features which are available for free members or premium members in the Guitar Academy, and they will help you a lot to get the best benefit out of this Guitar Academy. I'm in online education business since 2003, so 20 years now, and this academy represents the best of my experience through all those years teaching many students online, and I can really recommend it. Even I'm the owner of this academy, I can really recommend it because it's really professional from the beginners till to the high class level. You will see. So let's go through the tour now. Okay. Now, here's the landing page you probably came from. Here you see how it looks like. Here you can sign up. Here you make the premium member upgrade, but I show you on the web page itself. We enter here. So, here we are. All right, I quickly sign out with my account and you see the view which you will get when you come here the first time. So it didn't work, so let's do it once again. So you're a guest now. You give first information which you need to know. So the best use, this is going to be this video which I'm just recording, and it's more described in words what I'm going to tell you now in this video. So you sign up here. Just enter your stuff. You will receive an automatic email. You need to make the email validation, and then you're already a free member here in the academy. Let me sign in with a test account first, that you see the features a little bit better. So now you're here as a member. Now first thing you see is the latest topics, just what's going on, and you find the latest topics and so on. You can also scroll down here. You see here the clubs. Here's the Guitar Students Clubs. Is another club. If you're not in the club, you see here this button Join Club. Here I already clicked on it. If you join the club, you can enter the club. And here is your playing ground for free members. You have a few topics here. You can write your own topics. Just go on topics, start a new topic. You can talk about whatever you want. You find free Guitar Students files, like really useful stuff like E minor pentatonic exercises or some walking bass or whatever. Just cool stuff. And also here the Students Awards, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later. So that's first of all the Guitar Students Club. There's also Music Meditation Club. You can also join that one if you're interested in meditation and music. This web page is the Academy plus my work as an artist. Here you find the Guitar Academy now. There are several departments: blues, rock, jazz, funk, covers, acoustic guitars, guitar secrets, guitar artists, and so on. Just scroll through it. Now when you see the description, you find this search tags. So if you're a beginner and you want to find all tutorials which match your current playing level, you click here on Blues Guitar Easy. And now it shows you all tutorials and all files which are marked exactly with that tag, and they should fit the playing level of a beginner till intermediate blues guitar player. Okay, so let's go back. You can decide yourself what you want to go through. As I said, here are the tags. They're self-explaining. The next thing you can do, if you're looking for something specific, you have here the search function. Whatever you're searching for, if it's more than one word, you have to put it in, you press Shift 2. I don't know if this thing is called in English. Let's search for, let's say Carlos Santana. Carlos Santana, 2 words. Enter. Now you find all topics which contain the expression Carlos Santana, mostly tutorials of course, and yeah, you can search whatever you want. As a free member you also get the newsletter. I'll quickly show you how it's gonna look like. If you're too lazy to search for the stuff, you get a newsletter once per month, where I just give the information what happened in the past. Here's a newsletter. Yeah, well, you just need to read it. You get it per email. You know, if you don't want to have the newsletter anymore, you can opt out in your personal profile. You just search there for the newsletter and you just select that you don't want the newsletter anymore. Okay, that's about the free membership. The main features, there are more features, but well, they're cool, but these are the main features. We don't want to make this video too long. Now, if you're, let's say you want to take a tutorial, below the description of the tutorial you find this box here. These are the files attached to the tutorial. It will be backing tracks or tabs or mostly both, and if you're not a premium member you cannot access them. So if you want to have those files, you need a premium member upgrade. To do that is really simple. Here you have a monthly or a yearly membership. So let's go here. You just select one. Let's take this one here. Here you select a payment gateway, PayPal, credit card or bank transfer, and then you just go through the registration process, and then you, once it's finished, you have access to your files. If you select manual bank transfer, you just get the bank account sent by email, and then you just send it with your online banking. That process takes mostly like 2 to 3 days till the money arrives, so that it would not be the instant upgrade. If you have any questions or problems, please contact me. Good. Let me quickly switch the account. Once you're a premium member, you have these additional functions which are really cool. As I already said, if you want to download any file which is attached to the tutorials, now you have access. Now you just click agree and download. Now you can select, here we have 3 files, 2 backing tracks and tabs. Let's click on the tabs, then you get tabs here which you can print out. There's a second feature available which is really cool and important. It's brand new, and I'm excited to show you that one. Is the blogs. Okay, what is the blogs? It's only available for premium members. Here in the blogs, I already made a test blog with a test account. You can write down anything you like about your guitar journey or your personal life, whatever you want, but you also can write that practice routines or what you're working on, and this is how it would look like. See, blah, share my practice routines, blah, I do this and this and this, and then you can just let the community help you if you're doing right, or you get some additional advice, or also I will regularly monitor the blog entries and probably give some advice when I say, okay, something is missing, then I type something, blah, blah, blah. Check out this tutorial, I put in the link, and then you get additional information what you can also work on to fulfill the task you're working on. It's really very useful. So now if you want to go for the awards, say, okay, I want to know if I'm good enough to be a blues guitar intermediate player. Currently there are 2 available. There's going to be more. I'm going to write them in the near future. Let's say now you're going to say, okay, this is now the blues guitar intermediate award. Here you add the link to your blog, that I know who you are, where you're going for. You record a video of 10 minutes where you just play. What is the requirements to pass the course? The requirements are here. You just click here, and here you found the requirements which are needed to pass this award. It's the lower levels are really not too hard. The higher ones will get really hard. And you can write additional information. And since you're going to take like 10-15 minutes of my time, you need to pay for that time. I cannot give this for free because my time is really limited. You can also use your blog link when you want to book private lessons. Here, and you go to the store, here find private lessons. If you want to book a private lessons, again, to know more about you, you can add your blog link in here. Also you can write more information, contact, and it's the same thing. The blog really helps that you introduce yourself to the guitar community. The blog is only visible for premium members, so it's protected area. It's only for those guys who really want to learn. It's not a public place. And I thought it's really important that you can share your personal belongings when it comes up to guitar playing. These are basically the main features which are available here. There are of course other features available. You will find out, but when you work with these main features, then you're already pretty good to go. And I really want to invite you guys to become a part of this guitar community. And even if you're not a regular user of the Academy, I really recommend to make the premium membership upgrade, because there you really have the full benefit out of this community. And you also support the community. Basically, it's a lot of work, as you might think. Building up this system took me now, I started in 2020. So 3 years till it became this level. But as I already said, it's the best of the best, I would say, in professional online education. It's not the flashy style which you see in many other websites, like Learn Fast, because there are no shortcuts. Here is for really serious students who know that learning is also work, and you need to work on this stuff. And that's what it's all about. And here is the perfect system for those guys among you who really want to get somewhere and don't sugarcoat the reality in guitar playing or the guitar playing process. And I'm here to help. And I think, after 20 is the best thing I've ever seen. And I would say, let's go for it.